Hello, everyone. Welcome to this lesson of today, lesson which is focused, as you can see, on colors. It's a short lesson, very short, one compared to the other lessons that you usually watch. Um, so you will be asked after this here to, it's a color lesson and so we're asking you to describe after this lesson any lesson you be having in view. Okay, you'll be able after this to describe any lesson in view that you may be having. Okay, so since it is a short lesson, we'll be asking you, of course, do not forget to share the video you'll be watching, the video that you'll be having here, uh, share it to allow many other people to learn about colors. And number two, please like this video to allow YouTube to continue keeping it on the channel. And most importantly, we'll be asking you please to subscribe to the channel to allow us to continue, serving you. So this is a short lesson, as I told you, and it's really practical. Okay, it's very practical, uh, and it's easy to study. So you have colors. There's colors here you have, and each color has a representation or the picture of its representation. Okay, see for example, you have red. This is red. Red is written exactly in red. This is red. This big circle you see here is a red color. You have blue. This is blue. You have another blue there. This is the representation of blue. You need to know, as it comes to blue, that there's two types of blue. Okay, you have dark blue. This is usually called dark blue, but there is also what we call a light blue. Okay, so you have two main colors for blue. They might be more. It's possible. But the two mostly known are the dark blue, which is this one, and the light blue. The light blue, if you guys want to have a view of a light blue, you just look at the sky. Okay, the sky has a light blue. Sky without clouds normally has a light blue in the morning or during the day. Okay, you have yellow. This is yellow, yellow color. You have green. You have brown, you have orange, orange, you have purple, purple, you have pink, this is pink, you have white, okay, and you have black. So here you have some. This purple, this is purple. You have I already talked about blue. This is green. This is yellow. This is yellow. This is orange, orange, and that's red. Now there's a question here they ask you. What colors are in DRC flag? Let's look at DRC flag. This is DRC flag. What colors do we have in there? Okay. What colors do we have in DRC flag? You need to answer them. I see one, I see two, almost two. This stripe looks like this. I see this one. Okay. So to me, we have three main colors in DRC flag. This is DRC flag. DRC is the acronym for Democratic Republic of the Congo, an African country which is found in the central part of Africa. It's actually in Central Africa. This is the biggest country whose capital city is Kinshasa. Okay, so those of you who are familiar with Africa, if you out of Africa, watching this video, or those of you in Africa who are familiar with Central Africa, this is DRC, and this is the flag of DRC. Now, what colors do we find in this flag? You need to tell. As I told you, this is a short lesson. Let's go to the task of the day. On a piece of paper, write the colors in the following flags and be ready to share. So here, I'm asking you to do two things. Number one is to find out what the flag of these countries are. And number two, after you find, you need to write down the colors. And of course, number three, maybe you'll be sharing in the next video, or you can share through a comment. Yeah, comment is better. Write a comment and share. Which colors do you find in Congo Republic flag? What colors in Tunisia's flag? What colors in Egypt flag? What about Morocco flag? And last but not least, Nigeria. You need to find any other country's flag you need or you want. It can be in Africa. These countries here are African countries. You can find another country in Europe or in America or in Asia. And then you find the flag and describe the flag. Number two, you can take a fruits. Let's talk about, for example, apple. Take two different colors of apple and describe the colors. Uh, Trees, what colors are trees? So with this lesson, you able to describe any colors in the nature. Okay, any color in the nature you see, you can describe. It can be a dress, or your clothes, or it can be a car that you're describing. It can be a house. You're describing the colors only, of course, only the colors. It can be from, uh, a movie you watching. You can look at colors in a movie you're watching. It can be in a house. It can also be a phone you're holding. You can describe the colors in your phone. It can be a watch you have handy. It can be a suitcase. It can be a bag. It can be shoes. It can be anything. Okay, anything you watching, anything in sight of you, in front of you, you be able to describe through these colors that you just learned here. As I told you, it's a short lesson. Please leave your comments. Any question you need to ask or any comments, contribution of yours is welcome through the comments. And as I said, please don't forget to like the video number one, to share the video you're watching number two, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to allow us keep serving you. Thank you again and see you in the next video.